Hey guys, Thunder E here, and we're back with another speaker test on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, Samsung's latest smartphone that packs in a massive camera. But this is all about speakers, so how well does it sound? Now we know the S20 Ultra comes with, of course, Dolby Atmos and stereo speakers, but how does it compare to the rest of the group? And I'm talking about the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the Galaxy S10 Plus, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and of course the ROG Phone 2, to see where the S20 Ultra lands within this list of devices. Now, as our last speaker test, the ROG Phone 2 was our king with the loudest sounding in decibels, but of course sound quality is objective for anyone here, so I'll be adding a new segment to that. But let's go ahead and check the decibels for all the smartphones. All right, so it seems we have a clear graduation of which sounds the loudest, from of course the lowest being the Huawei Mate 30 Pro at 101 decibels. Next up is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus at 102.7 decibels. After that is the iPhone 11 Pro Max 103 decibels. And then we get this big jump to the S20 Ultra at 105.6 decibels, followed by the ROG Phone 2 in its normal mode at 106 decibels. And then we move over to the Galaxy S10 Plus at 106.2 decibels in there. And then finally the ROG Phone 2 in its outdoor mode is at 108 decibels. I really don't like that outdoor mode. It's just kind of cranky. You guys can hear it yourself. So for me, I kind of took that out as just if you're outside, you just really want to crank it up. But the ROG Phone 2 has the loudest decibel rating with its outdoor mode. Without that, the Galaxy S10 Plus takes the slight lead at 106.2. Now, let's talk about sound quality, which do I like? Well, before I mention that, let me add in this new segment where I'll be playing a specific track. This is from an artist called Avatar, and the track is called Kamikaze. So you guys can listen to every single device, how it sounds, and then I'll tell you my choice and you guys can tell me mine. So let's listen.
Kamikaze, blinded by the show lights, paparazzi, they know I'm a gold mine. Everybody know me where I go, why suicidal, hanging with the low. I'm the legend, I'm a fixer, painting portraits, get the picture, like the paper, not the swisher. Kamikaze, blinded by the show lights, paparazzi, they know I'm a gold mine. Everybody know me where I go, why suicidal, hanging with the low. I'm the legend, I'm a fixer, paint. Kamikaze, blinded by the show lights, paparazzi, they know I'm a gold mine. Everybody know me where I go, why suicidal, hanging with the low. I'm the legend, I'm a fixer. Kamikaze, blinded by the show lights, paparazzi, they know I'm a gold mine. Everybody know me where I go, why suicidal. Kamikaze, blinded by the show lights, paparazzi, they know I'm a gold mine. Everybody know me where I go, why. Kamikaze, blinded by the show lights, paparazzi, they know I'm a gold mine. Everybody know me where I go, why suicidal.
All right. I mean, that track was pretty dope. But I have to say though, in terms of sound quality, I prefer the ROG Phone 2. I think it sounds the best. Those front firing stereo speakers really come out nice and clean. But my second best is the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I think it comes out punchy, there's more bass in the low end, and it comes out well. After that, it's pretty much the Galaxy S10 Plus and then the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Then after that, with all the Samsung devices going through, my next favorite there would be the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And last but not the least is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So in terms of sound quality, it's gonna be the ROG Phone 2, followed by the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And in terms of decibels, well, the loudest is the ROG Phone 2 with its outdoor mode. Without that, it's the Galaxy S10 Plus. So there you have it, guys. That's the speaker test. That's where the Galaxy S20 Ultra fits in. I think it fits in well. It's on the higher end of things in terms of loudness and also in terms of audio quality. Remember, this of course is with Dolby Atmos activated there and picking the specific modes or set in on auto. I do like what the S20 Ultra does with audio with its speakers, and I think you guys will like it too. But leave your thoughts on what you heard and which devices you will pick. If you have any questions, let me know. Stay tuned. I will have more videos for you on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, covering of course our charge test and so many more. So thank you very much, guys, and always enjoy your entertainment.